We're still looking at trigonometric differentiation or differentiation of trigonometric functions. Now, let's say we're given a question, y is equal to cosec 4x, and we're asked to find dy dx. So we're asked to differentiate this function. Now, what do? This is a trigonometric function that has another function inside, which is 4x. So you make a substitution. You say, let u be equal to what? 4x. And then you differentiate this u with respect to 4x. So you're going to have du dx is equal to, you differentiate 4x, you're going to have what? 4. Now, you said let 4x be what? U. So it means that your y now becomes cosec what? Cosec u. Alright? It becomes cosec u. So we're going to differentiate y with respect to u. So it becomes dy du equals, if you differentiate cosec u, note that it will be minus cosec u cot u. Alright? Minus cosec u cot u. Now, what's going to happen? Now, your dy dx finally that you're looking for is going to be what you differentiated here multiplied by what you differentiated here. So it becomes what? Dy du times what? Du dx. So this becomes what? Dy dx is equal to what? What's your dy du? Minus cosec u cot u multiplied by, what is your du dx? Which is what? 4. So multiplying this together, you have that your dy dx equals what? Minus 4 cosec u cot what? Cot u. Alright? But you have to remember something. Recall that you said u should be equal to 4x. So it means that finally dy dx is going to be equal to what? Dy dx is going to be equal to minus 4 cosec 4x cot 4x. So this is our dy dx. So when we differentiate this function, we're going to have this as our answer.